Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. So in this video, we are going to learn how to import data from a CSV file into a MySQL database. Okay, so let's start. So first of all, let's look at our data. So I have a sample CSV file. Let's open it. So the file name is data.csv. As you can see, there is a table in it. There are 4 fields in this table: ID, name, income, and age, and there are 10 rows of data in it. So what we have to do is we have to create a database. We have to create a exact same table, and then we have to import all this data into that table. Okay, so let's see how we can do that. So open your CMD. Let's connect to MySQL here. MySQL -u root -p. Enter the password, and we are connected to MySQL. Let's create a database. So we have created a database. We want to use it. So use yt.1. So now we have to create a same exact table so that we can import that data into this table. Okay. So let's see our data once again. So we have 4 fields: ID, name, income, and age. So let's create a table. Create table employee. So first column is ID, which is going to take integer values. So int, let's say it's a primary key because it's an ID, and comma. The second column is going to be name, which is going to be character. So varchar, let's say 30. Income, this is going to take integer values. So int. Age, again an integer value, and that's it. Close parenthesis, semicolon, and we have created our table. So guys, now we have to write query to import the. So guys, now we have to write a query that will import that data into this table. Okay. So what you have to do is you have to copy this data file. Okay. You have to copy your file, and then you have to open your C drive. So guys, now we have to search for a folder called program data. It must be hidden in your system. So what we have to do is click on view here, tick mark the hidden files option, and the program data folder will be visible. Okay, so open it. You'll find MySQL in it, MySQL folder in it. So open it. Here you have to open the MySQL Server 8.0 folder, whichever version you have. So open it. Here in the uploads folder, you have to paste your data file. Okay, so now we have pasted our data file in it. So now we have to copy this path. Okay, so this path we have to copy it. So click on it and you have to copy this path. So we have copied this path. So let's write our query. So guys, our query goes like this: load data in file. So now we have to paste the path that we have copied. So we have to paste it in inverted commas. So inverted comma start. Paste the file. You can paste the file using right click or Control V. Close the inverted comma. So guys, one thing we have to do is we have to delete all the backslashes and change them to forward slashes. Okay, so change all the backslashes to forward slashes. And now we have to add our data file name at the end of this path. So forward slash. My file name is data.csv. So see data.csv added. You can write whatever your file name is into table employee fields. Okay, so we want to load this data into the fields of our table employee. Okay, terminated by inside inverted commas, comma, single comma. This means that we want to divide our data between commas. So as you can see, our data has been divided between commas. So ID and name is divided between commas. So that's what it signifies. Terminated by comma and closed by inside inverted commas, a double inverted comma, lines, terminated by \n So this means we want to divide our data into rows. \n means new line. Okay, ignore 1. This means that we want to ignore the first row. Our first row is actually the column name, so we don't want to insert this into our table, so we are ignoring that. So ignore 1 rows, semicolon, enter. So as you can see, our query has been executed. Let's check into our table. Select star from employee, and here we go. The same data has been loaded into our database. So guys, if you face any problem, do ask me in the comment section. If you have learned anything, please like the video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.